Okay, it looks like it's filming now. Oh. Hello everybody. I am going to do a run here in a few minutes on this DLE 20cc two-stroke gasoline engine. I've already run it once, so I know it runs good now, but before today I had a electric starter motor on it, and that thing was all screwed up as far as the firing order for the ignition. So I took it off, put the original propeller hub back on, and I'm going to keep it that way until whenever. Anyway, all right, I'm going to pause this and get ready to start it. And well, let me see. All I got to do is this, and it should start right up. It's already been choked, so there's a little bit of throttle, and I'll grab the starter. Ignition just got turned on. Should start right up.